Welcome back everyone. Today's video is about joy. When is the last time you felt bubbling with joy? Joy is our natural birthright, but so many people rarely feel joyful. Let's see if we can learn and experience more about joy. Joy is like an inner state that comes up and arises. So you can feel joyful for absolutely no reason at all. You just wake up joyful, or you feel joyful, not because your child is smiling, although that's very joyful, or they're giggling, even more joyful. But you're just joyful for absolutely no reason at all. This is an awakening state. Joy for no reason, bliss for no reason. That's your natural state of being, and you're allowed to feel it. You will feel all the other states as well, including all the stress and suffering states. But it's time to feel more joy. Joy just because you're alive. Joy because you can speak and talk and use any part of your body. And even if you've lost some ability to move or speak or hear, and you've been impacted by aging or disability, you still have other reasons to feel joyful. The sound of birdsong is a magical experience if you are fully present. So joy arises from pure presence. Can you be present to this light language? Tune in, sit still, be present. Shouldn't go da 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 da, shouldn't go da 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 da, shouldn't go da 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 ya na ya. Uriya daya, uriya daya daya, turina gumakakataya, turina gumakakataya, turina gumakakataya daya daya daya, aya. Daya 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 daya. Joy is your natural birthright. Today, go forth and experience joy at everything and anything for absolutely no reason. Just allow yourself to feel joyful. Blessings on you. Love you.